Well, this morning we're on a schedule. Don't have time to wait for these guys to open. But this is in Kearney, Nebraska. Got a nice caboose depot stored from Shelton back there. Flat car with some equipment on it. Ag equipment, of course. And my favorite part, steam engine. Union Pacific C57 class. Be a 280 consolidation. We'll go a little slower here. They actually allow you in the cab on this one. And we can't see it very well, but it's there. Nice stuff. Still got a brass bell. Some of the old railroad crossing signs with the marbles in them. No lens on the engine, but headlight frame's all there. She is a pretty thing. Walk back slower this way and get out of the rain. Raindrops. Anyway, there we go. Look at the sky. Depot. Have at her.